don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Mavenzo TV. It's the KF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Zesco 0. I'm joined by China.
Yes, Chipo Njayam, what a game of football. What a beautiful game of football. Yes. Ivar Masiringen.
Sure.
We are not playing a football entertainer.
Yes.
We are not there to play entertaining football.
Yes.
We are not there to play entertaining football. We are there to collect points.
Yes.
We are there to win the game.
Hey.
Kaizer Chiefs is doing
Yeah.
i-Chiefs around la yenza umsebenzi wayo into esiyifunayo kwa-Chiefs isimple kukuwina ama-games siyawawina ke manje ama-games ontomkayise sebeyabuya bayachange bathi ontomkayise bekumele score abo-2 goals kumele score abo-3 goals who said ukuthi thina sifuna abo-2 goals si-right ngalo 1-0 3 points 1-0 3 points 1-0 3 points indlela yethu kulapho yakhona phambili abafana benza umsebenzi oncomekayo abafana benza kahle we are happy we are saying congratulations to the boys for collecting 3 points at this game. Now we are 7 points. Sibheke iZesco neAlmasari kulapho siyobheka khona. We just wish ukuthi bangadlala i-draw because bazobuya badlale bodwa. So no, even if ever omunye wabo uyawina asinandaba owethu umsebenzi kukushaya 1 goal
3 points
and 1 goal yethu siyishaya very early. Very early.
First 5 minutes.
First 5 minutes of the game. First 15 minutes of the game. And then sibuye siyovala game ngala 3 points. So asifuna okuningi this time again. Okunye okulandelayo kwesibili. Kaizer Chiefs is one of the best teams at the moment improvile, one of the most improved teams when it comes to South Africa with South African teams in one of South African teams good Betway. Kaizer Chiefs the reason why I'm saying that we are happy with Abu 1-0. Remember that this is the Kaizer Chiefs bengakhonanga ukungena kwi top 8. This is the Kaizer Chiefs bengangenanga for 2 consecutive seasons kwi top 8. Now i-standard sayo sikhulu if ever uzofacala Kaizer Chiefs igijimisa i-CAF Confederation igijimisa i-Betway Premiership, which means this Kaizer Chiefs is one of the most improved teams this season. Indaba yama clean sheet yabona manje sikhuluma ngama clean sheet. I think this is 15 in a row amabhakani angeke ayiconfirm ke leyo abontomkayise I think abanavumelana. And what makes uPeterson to be the best kula 15 clean sheets ngula Miguel bathi inkomo Miguel bathi inkomo akunabhola edlulayo between yena noKwinika ebunkomeni bakhe sine 15 clean sheets because of kule 15 clean sheet kuno Miguel kuno Kwinika, which means what makes Peterson to be the best hilama 2 center backs bayamsave lama 2 center backs. So we can't only credit uPeterson whereas kuno Kwinika no Miguel yes akhona amaphutha ayikho team engena amaphutha because of nabanye sowabona amaphutha wabo bazawuthi maybe thina Kaizer Chiefs ithole imagesi yase Zambia. If ever sithole imagesi yase Zambia bekumele siskore kaningi nabo baskore 2 goals kumagesi
Amstel
Arena. Amstel Arena. Mina ngiyaqala ukubona nale ndaba ye-arena na 40,000 capacity so sijwayele i-Allianz Arena lapha ku-Bayern Munich igijimisa boma 100,000
ini arena wamele ibe na more capacity.
Mina 40,000 arena just I don't understand. I understand because of when you look at the arena enye yendawo ithina siyaqala nobona abantu ke ekuzothiwa bakwi-arena but abana league abana motivation but asiyazi sobuya ngaphi ngabo ayizindaba zabanye abantu lezi indaba zeminyimiza ngizingeni abahlala emizini wabo kukhulunyiwe phela Kaizer Chiefs ezinye zezinto ezikhulunywe Kaizer Chiefs kuthiwe bayekeni kuthiwe laba abakhulumayo bayekeni sayizwa leyo nkulumo yafika kuleyo nkulumo the message that has been sent to us as Kaizer Chiefs fans that we must not mind other people. We are minding our own business now. That's why we are getting 3 points. We are chasing the league. We are contesting the league. Kaizer Chiefs is contesting the league. Again Kaizer Chiefs igijimisa indaba yokuthi siphume kuma group stages where CAF Confederations Cup. This is one of the teams eyenza kahle kakhulu ngiloko ngisisho ngibuyele game
league, yes.
Abayinaki iza as
Ama-Giants,
underdogs
yeah, I know,
because of
yeah,
bana
yeah.
leyanto ethi thina asikhona ukuqualifya for i-top 8
Yes.
basibheke ngepast and babheka ukuthi thina sikhutshwa ngama-translators. To us these are coaches.
Yes.
Siyabona ukhazi, siyambona uYusuf basicoachela grand thina si are happy ngabo and nendlela esodlala ngayo yes iyafuna ngibuyele egamini a bit mangibuyele egamini Stibo indeed Kaizer Chiefs somehow you don't know how it attack awuyazi attack kanjani but inenhlahlanyana esinayo iyasebenzela kule nhlahlanyana esinayo and I believe ukuthi even other teams are struggling to read igame yethu because of ayazi ukuthi we are attacking wings, we are attacking centrally, or we are playing with ama set pieces, everything bathi ne cross iphenduka kube igoal kwa Chiefs. That's how we attack this season. I cross iphenduka kube igoal lollipop so namanje uyiphindile so I'm glad that uLollipop udlale igame edlulile waprova ukuthi no ku next game ngiyifuna i starting 11 waphinde wasithola i starting 11 again uyayiprove ukuthi no masuka lana ngiyaphinda ngiyifuna i Stellenbosch masodlala ne Stellenbosch. So I believe ukuthi now every player ya improve so wonke lamajita now babuyile base gamini they wanna play so Kaizer Chiefs will always be one of the best teams in Africa.
Thank you, China.
D'accord.
Yeah,